Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in our last session, we have discussed lesson 11 La to La, the top. The lesson is about a top. It's a special top, La to La. The top belongs to a little girl. Her name was Ria. Ria had a special top, La to La. It was so beautiful. When it spins, flashed red and yellow lights. Ria loved to spin and she spun Latula the whole day. Even Latula liked a lot to spin. So it went on round and Latula loved it very much and sang as I'm Latula the dancing top. One night, Ria kept her top Latula on a table and she went to bed. But Latula doesn't like to sit idle. So Latula jumped down slowly and quietly went out of the door. And she began to spin round and even she flew into the air. And Latula enjoyed a lot and hey, she called out and said that watch me dance in the air. By seeing Latula dancing in the air, the mosquitoes were surprised and they were discussing like who's that? And Granny Mosquito said that it's not mosquito and not even a bee. Then what is it? Who is that? Then Teeny Mosquito said it might be the flying saucer. See the lights, see the beautiful red and yellow lights. Now Granny Mosquito buzzed that flying saucer, so fly away from here to save your lives. By seeing that, Latula laughed at the mosquitoes and then she dropped down herself and rolled into the living room. In the living room, the tables and chairs were very quiet and calm and were not moving. There is no movement in the chairs and tables. Then Latula sang and it was dancing in the living room. By seeing Latula, Grandpa Sofa opened his eyes and asked the tables and chairs that who is that making noise? Then a big chair replied that shiny little thing. Then the big table said that it's just a top. By listening to their conversation, Latula cried out that I'm not just a top, I'm dancing. Then the big table said that tops don't dance, they just spin. But Latula said yes, they do. And even you can't move your leg. But big table yelled that I can too move my leg. Then Latula flew up and landed on the big table. It started skating on its smooth back. With that, the big table cried out that stop it, it's getting hurt. It's hurting me. Then Latula slid off the table. The big table yelled that catch her, but Latula sang that you can't and she flew away through the window. Then the small table said to big table that she had ran away through the window and big table shouted catch her quickly. The big chair opened the doors, the big table came out and the other tables and chairs followed the big chair. One after one, all the chairs and tables they came out of the door and followed Latula. Except Grandpa's sofa and dining table, all the tables and chairs came out. Latula hummed to the tables and chairs that catch me if you can. So now Latula went out and all the tables and chairs followed Latula. Then what happened we'll discuss in part 2, that is Latula the top part 2. Now let us discuss few bits of this lesson. Here, comprehension. In comprehension bit A, write yes or no on the blanks. Now already we have discussed the lessons. Now these sentences are from the lesson. Now you have to write here on the blank if the statement is true, write yes. If the statement is false, then write no. Okay. So here the first question is Latula was a clock. Now whether Latula was a clock? No, Latula was a top. So write no here on the blank. No. Second question. Latula belonged to Ria. Now whose top was that? Latula belongs to Ria. It's Ria's special top. So the answer is yes. Write yes on the blank. Third one. Latula loved to spin. Now whether Latula loved to spin or to sit quiet, it's loved to spin. So the answer is write yes on the blank. Now the fourth one. Latula tickled the table. Now what did Latula did when she came to the living room? Here. Latula slid over the big table and skated on its smooth back. It's not tickling, it skated. So the answer is no. Write no here on the blank. Next, bit B. Who said these words? Write their names on the blanks. So here few sentences are given, and who spoke these words? You have to write the name of the speaker here on the blank. The first question is, watch me dance in the air. Watch me dance in the air. Who said these words? These words were spoken by Latula. Write Latula here. Latula. Second one. It's a flying saucer. It's a flying saucer. Who said these words? When Granny Mosquito said that it's not a mosquito and even it's not a bee, it's something else. Then Teeny Mosquito said that it's a flying saucer. So write Teeny Mosquito here. Teeny Mosquito. Next, third one. Who is making this noise? Who said these words? Who is making this noise? Now Latula came to the living room and all the tables, chairs were very silent, quiet. Then Latula came to the living room by singing and dancing, humming. With that, Grandpa Sofa asked the other tables and chairs that who was that making the noise. So these words were spoken by Grandpa Sofa. The last one, that shiny little thing. Now when Grandpa asked that who is making this noise, then Big Chair replied that shiny little thing. So these words were spoken by Big Chair. Okay. Now with this we have completed bit B. Now let's read the yes or no's as well as who said these words. Here, bit A, write yes or no on the blanks. Here the first question is, Latula was a clock. No. Second one, Latula belonged to Ria. Yes. Third one, Latula loved to spin. Yes. And fourth one, Latula tickled the table. No. Okay. Next bit B. Who said these words? Write their names on the blanks. So here the first question is, watch me dance in the air. These words were spoken by Latula. Second one. Third one, who is making this noise? Who said these? Grandpa said these words to the other tables and chairs. And the last fourth one, that shiny little thing. These words were spoken by Big Chair. Okay children, that is about today's class. Now with this, we'll close today's session. Coming to today's homework children, read lesson 11 as well as Learn and write lesson 11 bit A and bit B in your textbook. Okay, children? Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.